So there could be many reasons for downgrading your Instagram app. You just do not want to draw on chats like this, or there could be another reason that is annoying you to use your new version of Instagram app. So how you can downgrade it? So the only thing you have to do is you have to open up your Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. And after that, you have to go to Google and search here top to down and hit the search button. Now the very first website which appears up, which is up to down, you have to tap on it and you will be redirected to its main homepage. From here you have to tap on the search button available at the top right corner of the screen and you have to search here Instagram and hit the search button. Now the very first website which appears up, which is the official Instagram application, you have to tap on it and again you have to scroll through this page until you find this older versions section. So you have to tap on this older versions button and here you will see all the older versions of Instagram application which was released on these dates. The date is also written with that version. You can install as much older version as you want. For example, I want to install an Instagram version which was launched in May 2025. So you have to simply tap on that version and when you are redirected to that page, and there you go. You have to scroll through this page and here you get an option download. This mod is 84 MB in size. You can simply tap on this download button. It will be downloaded into your files and from there you can install this older version and uninstall the new version of Instagram that is annoying you. Keep in mind that after installing that older version, you do not ever need to update your Instagram application. Otherwise, it will again be upgraded to the latest version. So that's how you install the older version of Instagram and that's how you downgrade it. Thank you so much.